साल से फास्टनर की ट्रेडिंग में था और तब मुझे मोटिवेट हुआ कि मेरे को अपना मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट लगाना चाहिए फॉर स्पेशल फास्टनर्स। इसलिए आज से 4 साल पहले HP फास्टनर की शुरुआत हुई। आज के दिन HP फास्टनर इज़ वेल नोन नेम फॉर स्पेशल फास्टनर्स लाइक स्टीनर, bushes, weld screws, ST screws and any fastener as per customer drawing. You name it, we have it.
HP Fasteners Private Limited is located in Faridabad, Haryana, sprawled over an area of 25,000 square feet. As the company is rising into a bigger unit, another 22,000 square feet plant is coming up to meet the growing demands of the clients. Our infrastructure is world class. We manufacture each and every product with utmost care and precision. We use high-speed imported Taiwanese machines. All the products come under the brand JFL. We have a specialized tool room with modern precision machineries and tool hardening furnaces. High precision tools play a critical role in the production of quality products. The company has a separate tool inspection department for examining the tools. All the tools are inspected carefully before handing them over to the production department. Our focus is quality. We give full attention to manufacturing, operator quality assurance and established traceability. We have in-house design system using CAD. First, a product goes for design and then production. We maintain a record of all products as per their sketches and item codes. HP Fasteners is an ISO certified company. We are a system-driven company and follow MIS. It helps us evaluate and organize each department. We make a flowchart of the entire process and follow things systematically, which is rare in this industry. We have over 120 dedicated staff responsible for our huge production capacity of approximately 200 tons per month. We always have enough backup. Ready products are available for any sudden requirements. We assure quantity with reorder inventory system. We assure quality with our competent testing lab and optical sorting machine. Assisted by MIS, we deliver on time, every time.
We have been dealing with HP Fasteners for the past 3 years and we are very much satisfied with the quality, delivery and service of this company.
क्वालिटी में भी वो काफ़ी अच्छी सप्लाईज देते हैं, शेड्यूल को बड़े अच्छे तरीके से अडेयर करते हैं, लगभग 100% शेड्यूल अडेयरनेस है उनका.
We boast of over 250 clients with the list growing every month.
I commit for best range of fasteners with the best quality within most affordable prices. My company stands for quality assurance every time.
HP Fasteners, your trusted partner.